song right there. Let's go back to the yellow type shit. Alright, quick, right. Hey, turn these lights blue for me, give me some fried L. Turn the lights blue right now. Turn the lights blue right now, let's go. I need you to put your vibes on right now, put your vibes up. Put your vibes on, let's go. I don't fuck with niggas, cause these niggas that like homicide, can't roll. Suicide gold. She don't hold my legs and my heart so cold. I'm a big dog. If you say she wants some things, I go on big blocks. My bitch got another bitch I could get. And like when you crazy, with 6 fingers on the wrist watch. People like a million, I'm the point guard like Chris Paul. Hang around business, I smoke it like a big dog. If a nigga tryna take some shit with me, I cut his dick style. Nigga with the bag, yeah, my bitch calls. I cut pepper diamonds every time they have me pissed off. I thought I told you once before, baby, I'm a big dog. These niggas tryna play games, okay, I'm the jigsaw. Hey, these niggas wanna play games, I'ma get them picked out. Motherfucker, I ain't tryna let this shit keep getting top. I thought I told you when I make plays like Chris Paul. I had to let this little bitch go because she make my kicks on. I had to let these niggas know they fucking with me at all. Yeah, I be pouring foes on top of foes, now still stand tall. And tell these niggas get up on my dick and stay bitch out. Tell these niggas get up on my dick, cause it's that bitch out. Tell these niggas get up on my dick, cause it's that bitch out. Y'all make some noise right now, make some noise! Hey, Zach, play my favorite song right quick. Look good.
Hey, cut the lights. Cut the lights and light this bitch up right now. Light this bitch up right now. Let's go. Light this motherfucker up. Let's go.
Young nigga outside his door. My niggas come get your hoe. Check cash, I don't have a number. No. Hey, yeah, I want me a rose. Spent 20 racks on my rose chain. These niggas hating it. Yeah, I'm all in these road game. How about the just smoking propane? Yeah, I do my damn thing. Boy, you ain't never the damn. Smashing your bitch in your main thing. Come get your heart, my damn lane. Yeah, bitch, like damn blind. Yeah, it's a runner's machine. Just on my side, you get the picture without the eye. Pull out the pistol, I grab it, I bang. Play how to take with his motherfucking brain. I shoot the kid so you know I got aim. He just a shit so and I'm a game. Yeah, I get to the crib like game. Yeah. Soon as I walk through the door, inside that inside the door. Yeah, young nigga outside his door. Yeah, my nigga come get your hoe. Yeah, big cash I don't have a no. Yeah, I want me a rose. Spent 20 racks on my rose chain. These niggas ain't it so lame. Yeah, turn this shit out here. This is how.
Here's what we do, nigga.
Paper on fire, yeah. Hey, do shit out right now, Sick of niggas tryna throw down my name. Drinking my cup, no cut, go bang. Yeah, Glock through the name, meaning not gon' bang. I met me some millions, say they got a change. Fuck this fame, man, fuck these chain. Man, pass this a brick like David Blaine. These bitches be all on my dang line. I just bought a new blue blanket ring. My heart cold is ice coffee. I'ma run through, get that money, man. I got that shit from dog. It ain't no shame up in my game. I'm tryna get it all. This street shit is just not the same. Most of these niggas soft. I just got the way and collect my bread. If you get in my way, you get one of your heads. Go down full of blues, sippin' on red. My boy, my money. I smoke your ass like crazy. I'm playing to show you how to play. Just stepping on niggas, no pledge. Go to sleep with a jump out of bed. All this ice on me, I need a sleep. All this ice on me, I need a sleep. Think my heart trying need a coat. Get that money and stack it, dig. Nobody like me, bro. This street shit ain't no joke. Everybody wanna be rich. You gotta get off your ass and get up on your shit. My mother in the jet. My Maybach is a shit. My pockets cheap and fat. It come from all these chips. Hey, we finna switch the show a little bit right quick. Hey, turn your light blue for me right quick.
Change that light blue right now.
Hey, where my Young Dog fans at, huh? Now, hold on. Where my biggest Young Dog fan at? I need somebody to come perform this Young Dog shit for me. Who got me? Who got me? I'm talking about word for word. You ready? You sure? Hey, get her over here for me. I need somebody else. You ready? Yeah. Yes, sir. Hey, get her right here. Grape said you know it, so Grape, come on. Hey, make some noise for Young Dog, AZ. You ready?
You know, ready. What's up?
AZ, you ready? Let's do it.
If it ain't one thing, it's a motherfucking. We trap together, then it's my motherfucking body. I pay her bills and bad design, but I don't love her.
Turn up.
She just play a part when it's time to smoke. I pull up and bang it down. I gotta sleep too, but I stay away from fuckers. No boo and Malibu was my last supper. I fucked her in rush hour traffic. Everybody screaming, gang, gang, gang. The folks come and get you, you gon' tell on the whole gang. She said, can she fuck me with my diamond chain. If I ain't in the bank, then I'm on the plane. Got to go get some money or go spend some money. They stopped me in the airport, had too many. They don't want you to live. They don't want you to ball. But put a smile on your face. Yeah, then they pray for you to fall. Hey, young niggas stay focused. But I really wanna crash. Think about where you at. Then think about your past. Yeah, I really came from shit. But I won't change for shit. My bitch say I'm stuck in my ways. My wrist say I've been getting 100 shots. 100 shots. Me and my nigga pull up in 100 drops. My role model used to get 100 blocks. Street niggas in the tuxedo. She looked at my watch too long, now she see stars. I got so high last night, I did the show. Yo, bitch ate my dick, I caught her on them bars. My pinky ring extra large. Phones all in the garage. Remember my first one, nah, yeah, Toya Brittany. I'm shot for that. Nah, I don't got no sympathy. She blew my whistle like a referee. Black nigga remember me. Till I fell out of the recipe. Started getting about 10 weed. Finger on the trigger when I sleep. Yeah, nigga, I'd rather you than me. Backseat smoking good weed. 100 shots. 100 shots. How the fuck you miss a whole 100 shots? You not welcome in my trap if you don't shop. Before you go through that back door, you better knock. They been waiting on this gangsta shit to drop. Even them fuck niggas that wish I could be stopped. How many dicks you suck to get that couple? My niggas came from dealing. Fuck nigga, get out your feelings. Your bitch got me sexual healing. Guess what just walked in the building? Came out with 6 bitches. My uncle said this pimpin'. My diamonds always hitting. You looking for your bitch, she with me, nigga, she ain't missing. I told you fuck nigga, stay out my way, but you didn't listen. Big rocks. Oh no, man. And we put in stitches in all of them. 100 shots. 100 shots. How the fuck you miss a